Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Group 4. We'll deliver our material today about reflecting on intercultural experiences and taking responsibility, mediate cultural difference. But first, let me introduce our group. Start from me. My name is Intan Larsativa, with register number is 21040003, and my partner is Arshi Hermanita, with register number is 21040013. So let's move on to the first slide. Reflecting on intercultural experiences and taking responsibility for mediating cultural differences involves understanding, respecting, and navigating diverse cultural perspectives to foster mutual understanding and cooperation. So, next slide. Here's how you can effectively mediate cultural differences. First, self-reflection. Reflect on your own cultural biases, assumptions, and communication styles. Consider how your cultural background influences your perception and behaviors in intercultural interaction. Acknowledge any biases or prejudice you may hold and commit to addressing them. Second one, cultural competence. Develop cultural competence by educating yourself about different culture, customs, norms, and values. Learn to recognize and appreciate cultural differences and strive to understanding the underlying reasons behind them. Cultivate empathy and open-mindedness towards individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds. Third, active listening. Practice active listening when engaging in intercultural communication. Pay attention to verbal and nonverbal cues and strive to understand the perspective and concern of others. Demonstrate empathy and respect by validating their experiences and viewpoints. Next, clarify misunderstandings. Clarify misunderstandings that arise due to cultural differences. If you notice confusion or misinterpretation, take the initiative to ask clarifying questions and seek mutual understanding. Avoid making assumptions and be patient in explaining your own experience and perspective. Next, foster dialogue. Create opportunities for open and respectful dialogue between individuals from different cultural backgrounds. Encourage participants to share their experiences, perspectives, and cultural values. Facilitate a discussion that promote understanding, empathy, and mutual learning. Next, bridge communication gaps. Bridge communication gap by adapting your communication style to fit the cultural preferences of others. Be mindful of differences in language, tone, and nonverbal cues and adjust your approach accordingly. Strive to communicate clearly and effectively while respecting cultural norms.
Okay, the next slide. Then point number 1, build trust and rapport. Build trust with individuals from diverse cultural background by demonstrating sincerity, reliability, and respect. And point number 2, negotiate solution. When conflict or disagreement arise due to cultural differences, engage in constructive negotiation to find mutually acceptable solution. And number 3, promote cultural sensitivity. Promote cultural sensitivity and awareness in your personal environment. Okay, next point. Lead by example. Lead by example in mediating cultural differences by demonstrating respect, empathy, and understanding in your interaction with others. And the last point, reflect and learn. Regularly reflect on your experience in mediating cultural differences and identify areas for improvement.